Good evening all. This is Sandhya Rani from Final BCom Computers. So today I am going to discuss the topic that is types of keys in database, which is taken from the subject of RDBMS. So before going to know the types in database, so let us know about why we have keys in database. So why we have keys? So here a key is a attribute or set of attributes in relation. So here relation is nothing but a table that identifies a tuple in a relation. So it is the attribute or set of attributes in a table which identifies the rows in that table. So here key is also used to access the stored data. So here key is used to access the stored data quickly and smoothly. So here key is also used to create a relationship between the different tables. So here key is also used to create a one relationship between the different kinds of table. So we are having the different types in database. Those are primary key, candidate key, alternate key, super key, composite key, foreign key and unique key. So let us discuss the first key, that is primary key. So here primary key means what? So here a primary key means it is a unique key. Unique means what? It is different from the all other keys. So here one example is there, that is employee table. So in that employee table we are having the employee ID, employee name, SSN, department ID and date of birth. So by using that employee ID or SSN we can know the clear cut information about the employee. So by using that employee ID and that SSN, so in that employee table primary keys are employee ID and SSN. So next we are having the alternate key. So alternate key means what? The word itself is saying alternate key. So alternate means what? So by using of one thing we can use the another thing. So alternate means what? If one is in the impossible way, we will use the another thing. So another thing, so in that employee table, if in case we are not able to use the employee ID, then we have to use that SSN. So it is an alternate for the employee ID. So by using that SSN also we can get the clear cut information about the employee. So next we are having the foreign key. So what is foreign key? So there are some example having the two boxes, that is two tables. Those are employee table and department table. So in the two tables the common thing is, that is what? Department ID. So in the department table also it is having the department ID, and in the employee table we are having the department ID. So by having the same things in the two tables. So here in the above table, department ID of department table is a primary key. So in the department table we are having the department ID, that is primary key, and the same thing is in the employee table. So it is called the foreign key. So it can be referred to the another table. From one table it is referred to the another table. So then we will call it also as a referential integrity.